Top dividend stocks to watch in 2025. Dividend stocks have long been a cornerstone of reliable income and portfolio growth for investors, and as we enter 2025, their significance has only increased. Whether you're a seasoned investor or someone looking to build financial security through smart investing, this video will guide you through understanding, selecting, and capitalizing on the potential of top dividend stocks. From identifying the industries that thrive on dividends to actionable strategies for smart investing, this video will equip you with tools and insights to make 2025 your best financial year yet. Let's dive in. Before we get into the top picks for 2025, let's lay the groundwork by understanding what dividend stocks are and why they matter. Dividend stocks are shares of companies that distribute a portion of their profits to shareholders in the form of cash payments, known as dividends. Unlike standard growth stocks, which primarily generate returns through price appreciation, dividend stocks offer regular payouts, allowing you to earn while you hold. These stocks are particularly valuable for two reasons. They provide a consistent income stream, reducing reliance on market price fluctuations. Reinvesting dividends can significantly compound your wealth over time. Dividend stocks are ideal for many types of investors, such as retirees seeking steady income or long-term investors aiming to grow their portfolio's value while minimizing risk. When analyzing dividend stocks, two important metrics often stand out. Dividend yield, the annual dividend payment as a percentage of the current stock price. Payout ratio, the proportion of a company's earnings paid out as dividends, which signals sustainability. By focusing on these, along with the company's financial health and market position, investors can pinpoint the most promising dividend opportunities. The financial landscape for 2025 brings with it unique challenges and opportunities that make dividend stocks a particularly attractive choice. As markets remain uncertain and interest rates stabilize, the demand for predictable income streams has surged. Dividend stocks provide a cushion against market volatility, ensuring that investors can enjoy steady returns even during economic turbulence. Additionally, emerging economic trends, such as the transition to green energy and advancements in technology, are creating new opportunities within dividend-paying sectors. Companies that adapt effectively to these shifts are expected to maintain solid cash flows, making them reliable sources of income for investors. For 2025, the focus isn't just on finding stocks with high yields, it's about identifying companies with sustainable dividends that can continue to grow over time. By examining market trends and individual business models, investors can tap into stocks that will help weather short-term instability while building long-term wealth. Not all dividend stocks are created equal. Here's a simple yet effective framework for selecting the best options. Dividend history: look for companies with a proven record of consistent dividend payouts over the years. It's even better if they have steadily increased their payouts, showcasing resilience and profitability. Cash flow: a company's ability to generate robust cash flow is critical to sustaining and growing dividends. Payout ratio: while a high dividend payout ratio can seem attractive, it could indicate that the company is overextending itself. Ideally, target companies with payout ratios below 60%, though certain industries might exceed this comfortably. Debt levels: companies with low debt obligations are better positioned to weather economic downturns while continuing to pay dividends. Industry trends: pay attention to industries with favorable long-term outlooks or those aligned with emerging trends like tech infrastructure or renewable energy. A comprehensive analysis of these factors will help you separate the truly promising stocks from those that might falter under pressure. Certain industries are historically reliable for dividend investing. Here are 4 key sectors to explore in 2025. Utility companies are well known for stable revenue and consistent dividend payouts. These businesses often operate in regulated markets, making their income streams predictable. Even in economic slowdowns, people will continue to pay for basic services like electricity, gas, and water, ensuring reliable cash flows. Companies producing everyday essentials, think food, beverages, and household products, have a dependable customer base regardless of economic conditions. Brands from this sector often provide steady and growing dividend streams due to their stable earnings and global presence. As demand for healthcare continues to grow alongside aging populations worldwide, companies in this sector offer both growth potential and sustainable dividends. Pharmaceutical, biotech, and medical device companies are often strong candidates. In the energy sector, especially companies focused on oil, gas, or renewable energy, dividends tend to be attractive because of high profitability and strong cash flow. With the push towards greener energy solutions, some traditional players are also pivoting to renewable technologies, opening new avenues for growth. While not traditional dividend sectors, green energy and tech infrastructure companies are becoming increasingly attractive. Governments' focus on renewable energy and the growing importance of 5G and cloud-based services make these industries worth watching for dividend-paying stocks. While specific company recommendations will vary based on individual goals and market conditions, here are examples of metrics to monitor when scouting for dividend stocks. A company's current dividend yield rate. Dividend growth rate over the past 5 to 10 years. Total shareholder return, combining price performance and dividends paid. Investors should review specific financial reports and trends for companies currently excelling in their respective sectors. It's important to look at not just what these firms have achieved, but whether they are positioned for future success. Dividend stocks offer a range of benefits that make them ideal for inclusion in any portfolio. Passive income, they provide regular income through dividends, which is particularly useful for retirees or those seeking to supplement their earnings. Compounding wealth, reinvesting dividends can accelerate the growth of your portfolio through the power of compounding. Over time, this strategy can yield substantial returns. Stability during market downturns, dividend-paying companies, especially those with solid financials, are often less volatile than non-dividend-paying stocks. Receiving steady dividends during bear markets can provide emotional and financial reassurance. While dividend stocks have their advantages, they are not without risks. Dividend cuts. Companies may reduce or eliminate their dividend payments during periods of financial stress. This could significantly impact your income stream. High-yield traps. Stocks with excessively high yield sometimes signal underlying issues, such as financial instability or unsustainable dividends. Lack of growth potential. Dividend stocks tend to focus on stability rather than aggressive growth, which may not align with the goals of every investor. To mitigate these risks, diversification is key. Build a portfolio that balances dividend stocks with other growth-oriented investments for optimal stability and return potential. Dividend investing is not a one-size-fits-all strategy. Here are some approaches to help you make the most of this investment style. Blend dividend and growth stocks. Combine dividend stocks with growth-oriented equities to strike a balance between stability and aggressive portfolio expansion. Reinvest dividends. If you don't need the income immediately, reinvesting dividends can exponentially grow your investment over time. Look for automatic reinvestment plans offered by your brokerage. Consider tax implications. Dividend income may be taxable, depending on the type and your jurisdiction. Take these costs into account when calculating your potential returns. Focus on long-term potential. Avoid getting distracted by short-term market noise. Instead, seek out companies with sustainable business practices and resilient dividends. Accessing quality financial reports and using the right tools can make a world of difference. Here's a step-by-step guide. Start with financial platforms. Use investing platforms or tools like Bloomberg, Yahoo Finance, or Morningstar to find reliable data on dividend yields, payouts, and stock performance. Analyze payout histories. Focus on companies with a history of increasing dividends. This is often a signal of financial health and management confidence. Use screening tools. Dividend screening tools can help you sort stocks based on key criteria such as yield, payout ratio, and industry. Evaluate long-term trends. Look beyond current yields. Ensure the business model can sustain growth in dividend payouts. Conducting due diligence ensures you invest in companies that align with your goals while managing risks effectively. Dividend stocks continue to shine as reliable, long-term investments, particularly in a year as dynamic as 2025. By understanding their fundamentals, identifying promising industries, and using thoughtful strategies, you can unlock powerful income streams while growing your wealth. Remember, the key to successful dividend investing lies in informed decision-making, whether you're a retiree looking for steady income or a finance enthusiast striving to build the ultimate portfolio. So, take a step forward today, open your financial toolkit, research the best dividend stocks, and start making 2025 your smartest investment year yet. It's not about chasing high yields but building a solid foundation for financial security. Let's make your money work for you. Thank you for watching, and happy investing. Subscribe, share, and like for more informative videos.